Hello students, welcome to the moral science class. Dear students, as a human being, we all have dreams, and if there is no dream in our life, there is no excitement. We, all of us, have some achievements, some goals, and for that we dream for. And it is very good to have a dream which does not allow you to sleep. So dear students, today we have a topic, and that is chapter 6, and that is chase your dreams. Chase your dreams. And the value we will learn, that is self-expression. Self-expression. So Walt Disney says, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So dear students, it is not sufficient to just see the dream and sit, but we need to work to make our dream true. And now I go to the text. By and large, dream is something big that we want or something extraordinary that we desire. So generally whenever we see a dream, it is not in our control. We have to go beyond our limit in order to achieve or fulfill that dream. And that's why it is said here that it is extraordinary thing or extraordinary desire. A person who dreams big but does not do anything to fulfill it is criticized by everybody. That's why it is said that we should not be daydreamer. On the contrary, a person who makes efforts and ultimately fulfills his dream is praised by all. People consider him as a role model. Dreaming high is a good for a person if his or her dream motivates him or her to do more and more work. This results in growth and development in life. As a child, you should dream something big and make efforts to realize your dream. You should work hard to make your dream come true, whether it is at studies or sports or anything else. So, dear students, here what is to pay attention that as a student or as you are in learning process, you should have some dreams, dreams where you can work for in order to in order to fulfill your dreams or to get your achievements. Keep in mind, big achievements take time. Yes, it is not that today I decided to become something and tomorrow I will become. No, it is not at all possible. We need to work, and we have to work very, very hard. Okay, so you need to start working today onwards. Even we say without losing any time, we should start working in order to achieve our goals. Moreover, they are far from being easy. You need to strive to accomplish your big dreams. You have to face many hardships and keep struggling for a long time. And keep on struggling for a longer. We need to struggle for our dreams, or in a different we say that in order to achieve our goals. If you want to become something, you thought that yes, I should become a doctor, I should become an engineer. For that you need to work hard. And when you have to start now itself you have to make a timetable accordingly to work. You have to whatever the necessary things you have to learn for that, you have to start learning from now onwards. You cannot wait for uh, tomorrow. Okay, you cannot wait for tomorrow. You have to start now. And that's why it is, I said in the beginning, we have to dream, or we have to see a dream which does not allow us to sleep. Does not allow us to sleep. You have to face many hardships and keep on struggling for a long time. If you really work hard with full focus and determination, then only you can realize your dream. Keep in mind, success is always hard earned. Remember, success is always hard earned. So there is a small, it's like a poem. Standing on the ground, aiming at the sky, how will you reach there if you do not try? Beautiful one, no? Standing on the ground, aiming at the sky, how will you reach there if you do not try? So you need to try. You need to try in order to achieve your goals. In one attempt you may fail. In the second attempt you may fail, but you should not lose hope. Rather, you should bounce back. You should bounce back, and you should work more harder than the past. So now we have this very nice story. It's actually the real story about the Wright brothers. Okay, so I'll read for you. Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright were two American brothers, inventors and aviation pioneers who were credited with inventing, building and flying the world's first airplane. In their early life, when they thought of a machine that could fly, people mocked at them by saying that it was a foolish idea. Now we see so many things where fly, even sometimes on the YouTube or in different channels we see that even now we are having flying cars, or they are maybe working for it. But the Wright brothers were the first one who actually got this idea, or they saw a dream that a human person also can fly like a birds, and for that they worked, and we'll see. And when they thought for first time and shared with their maybe in the friends or neighbors, all people mocked at them by saying that it was a foolish idea, which they said, how a human can fly, or how a machine can fly? Not possible, like these people said. Orville Wright was born August 9, 1871 at Dayton, Ohio. Wilbur Wright was born on April 16, 1867 at Millville, Indiana. In 1878, their father brought home a toy helicopter made of paper, bamboo and cork with a rubber band to twirl its rotor. It was about a foot long. So in a childhood, there's Papa, okay, their father brought home a toy helicopter, okay. It was about a foot long, maybe about a foot long. The Wright brothers played with it until it broke and then built their own. Moreover, it was at this point that they dreamt of making an airplane. When they broke that helicopter, that toy helicopter, and after that once again they built it again. Moreover, it was at this point that they dreamt of making an airplane. As they grew up, they gained the mechanical skills essential for their success by working for years in their shop with printing presses, bicycles, motors and other machinery. Their work with bicycles influenced their belief that an unstable vehicle like a flying machine could be controlled and balanced with practice. Though they worked hard, they met failures at various levels. However, they kept on conducting extensive glider tests that helped in developing their skills as pilots. The brothers' fundamental breakthrough was their invention of three-axis control, which enabled the pilot to steer the aircraft while maintaining its equilibrium. Moreover, they also used a home-built wind tunnel which enabled them to collect data so as to design and build efficient wings and propellers. At first, they made the first controlled and sustained airplane on December 17, 1903, 4 miles south of Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Finally, in 1904 and to 1905, they developed their flying machine into the first practical fixed-wing aircraft. At this point, the Wright brothers admitted that it was the toy helicopter that made them invent the airplane. Unfortunately, Wilbur Wright died a few years after the invention on May 30th, 1912, while Orville Wright died on January 30, 1948. So children, from the example of Wright brothers, we should learn to dream big and then work hard to fulfill our dreams. Their father just brought a small toy helicopter, and because of the constant playing, the toy broke. But from there, from the broken helicopter, they journeyed till they could make a flying machine, so-called airplane. Okay, so dear students, what we learned that we need to work hard in order to fulfill our dreams. So dear students, what is here to ponder? Dreaming high is good if you are serious about realizing your dream. We need to not only see the dream, but we have to realize and we have to work for it. Work hard for fulfilling your dreams. Accept the challenges and defeat the difficulties. So this is enough in this video, and as a homework, dear students, kindly read this chapter once again, and please have some dream in your life and work for all those dreams in order to fulfill them. So thank you. Bye bye.